Hello guys, welcome back to our channel All Things With Us. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some tips or give you some ideas on how to deal with glasses, mostly making shelves or making drawers or doors for your cabinets. So the first thing you need to do is cut your glasses into sizes. And guys, make sure to be more careful when dealing with glasses so that you may not injure yourself. And if you don't know how to operate with the glasses, go to those people who deal with glasses, tell them to cut your glasses or give them orders, they cut into your sizes. Yeah, you need to be more careful with glasses. So guys, as you can see in the video, I'm already cutting my glasses, and as you can see also, I'm drilling the holes which I'll be using to screw down the glasses into my frame, because I'm going to cut the frame later on in the video. As you will see that I'm going to make a frame that I'm going to screw the glass onto. So just cut. Now here I'm just cutting out some pieces on my glass so that it will give me room to place my hinges, as you will see later on in the video, because I'm going to use the hinges, the hydraulic hinges, to make my doors for the cabinet that I'm repairing for my client. Once you cut out your pieces, like for me, for these 4 stools, I'm going to use this silicone glue to mount them on the stools. So guys, if you like this kind of content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like our videos, share, comment on them, tell us what you think or what you need us to make. Give us ideas guys, tell us what you like, and please subscribe to our channel. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers, because we are almost, and we really thank you those who have already subscribed. We are now at 800 subscribers. We are remaining with 200. So guys, share our videos, share our content, share our channel, and we will be very grateful. And so far, we appreciate your support. Thank you guys.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young.
Make sure to use silicone glue because it's always the best glue when putting glasses somewhere or attaching them to your cabinets or doing anything to deal with glasses. Use silicone glue.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
Now this is what I was talking about. Like here, as you can see, the places that I've already cut out from the glass, which will give me room to place my hinges. So I'm just going to mark out the places so that I go and drill the frame and make holes for the hinges to fit in. Yeah, enjoy the video.
Smiling while you're cursing, I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring, 'cause I'm nervous. It's you.